Hello everyone, my name is Chirag Patil and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So I'm super excited to share that I'm creating a whole new playlist all about the LangChain. So in this playlist, we will learn what is LangChain and its incredible features, and we will build a various application using the LangChain. So if you haven't subscribed my channel, please subscribe it and press the bell icon to get notified whenever I will upload the new video so you won't miss any video of this series. So let's get started. So first of all, what exactly a LangChain, right? So LangChain is a framework designed to make the development of complex AI application easier and more efficient. And it was created by Harrison Chase in 2022. And it quickly gained the attraction and became the most popular framework on the GitHub. It has a very large community support and it allows the developer to integrate various AI components in one system, right? So let's see what are the features and benefit of using LangChain, right? So first is efficient AI application development. So LangChain simplifies building complex and flexible AI as application, integrating a different AI model and tools in one system. So it's structured to facilitate more advanced multifunctional AI application compared to a single model implementation, right? So of course, it is a framework to build a AI application. So it will help you to build a complex AI applications in the easy and flexible manner, right? And we will see in upcoming video how easy it is and how you can leverage and how efficient the LangChain is, right? The second thing is modular architecture. So I would say the most innovative part of the LangChain its modular design. It allows developer to chain together various models and tool to combine their strength, right? So models can be any LLM here and tools can be any other module or third party API call can be, which will allow model to perform better on related tasks, right? So one of the example of tools can be a web search tool, right? So suppose you have your own LLM or any models. If model don't know the answer, you want to do a web search and provide the answer, right? So at that time you can use any web search tool, right? So whenever model is failed to provide the answer based on his knowledge, right, it can perform a web search and then provide the answer, right? And when I say you can chain together various models, right? So you can think, let's suppose you have two models. One is better to understand the user context and uh, create a title or related the outlines, right? And second model is it's very good at creating a content, right? So you want to create a story writing application, right? So one model you can utilize which will get the input from the user, which can be the outline or whatever you want from the story, right? And it will generate a very good title and the context related to it, right? And that information you can pass to another LLM, which is a specialized model at creating the content or story, right? So in that way, your result will be more responsive, accurate, and capable of handling wide variety of tasks, right? And you can add any other model as well, like verifying the answer or any other task, right? So you can combine multiple models and you can utilize the knowledge of models in very easy way, right? Third thing can be a flexible use cases. So LangChain support a diverse application. So you can create a chatbot, you can create a dynamic storytelling application, and you can build an interactive information retrieval system, right? So there is one most famous application which is RAG, retrieval augmented generation, right? In which you are providing your closed source data or you can say private knowledge to the LLM to provide the answer of specific query, right? So that system you can build using LangChain in very easily. In upcoming video we will build the RAG as well, right? So stay tuned. The fourth thing can be addressing a traditional model limitations. So LangChain allows the developer to overcome a limitation of typical standalone language models, right? Such as a lack of domain knowledge. So if you use any LLM, let's say you are using a GPT-4o, okay. So most you can say lack is they don't have the current knowledge or they don't have the knowledge about your system, right? So for example, you want to build a customer support, a chatbot for your company. Okay, but there will be a chance, or your LLM which you are using, it can be a GPT, it can be a Anthropic model as well, right? They don't know about your system. So at that time you need to provide your own closed source or private data to the LLM to provide the answer of user's query, right? As I discussed in the reg which what we are doing, right? So that kind of thing we can address of the LLM's limitations, right? When and you can utilize multiple LLM, so it can be solved by that as well, right? Let's see now core component of LangChain. So first is LangChain libraries. So LangChain comes in the two language framework basically. You can utilize the JavaScript as well, and you can utilize Python as well to use or build a LangChain application, right? In this whole playlist, we will use Python libraries of the LangChain, right? The second thing is the LangServe. So LangServe is a tool which allow us to deploy a LangChain application as an REST APIs, right? And it simplifies the process very well. The third thing can be a LangSmith. So LangSmith is a developer platform for debugging, testing, and evaluating and monitoring chains, or basically our own application which is built by the LangChain, right? And it's fully integrated with the LangChain, enhancing the development and maintenance process. And now there is a thing which is LangChain Expression Language, right? So in the when the LangChain is started, right, in 2022 or 23, you can say, at that time there is a different method to create a chains. In upcoming videos we will see how to create a chain and what is the chain, right? But you can think this LangChain Expression Language is one kind of syntactic sugar of creating the chains, right? And the main purpose of it allows the developer to take prototype directly to the production, right, without any code change. And this LangChain Expression Language comes with inbuilt features like you can use a streaming, you can use batching, and you can run multiple chains in the parallel as well, right? So it will be helpful when you create a simple prompt plus LLM kind of chain or any high complex chain. So in this whole playlist, we will utilize this LangChain Expression Language. I just mentioned few a real world use case of the LangChain here. So it can be a customer support chatbot, right? So as I say, you can utilize LLM to create a chatbot, and you can provide your own private data too as well. So it can provide the related answer to the user, right? Second thing, you can utilize it to create a content generation and summarization. Like you can implement build one application using the LangChain which can generate a story, which can generate a blog post from the title and kind of, right? The third can be a virtual classroom and e-learning. So these are the few of the application, but there are endless possibilities that you can utilize the LangChain to build very awesome AI applications, right? So this is all about what is the LangChain. In upcoming video, we will see what is prompt and what are the prompt templates in the LangChain, and how to create a effective prompt that we can get a better response from the LLM, right? So that's all for this video. If you like my video, please press the like button and subscribe my channel. Thank you.